a process input function to keep all input code organized. So this was the function we created. Now in the function, we now give the input function inside. So here we check whether the user has pressed the escape key. In here we check if the user has pressed the escape key. If it's not pressed, glfw get key returns glfw release. It returns release instead of press. If the user did press the escape key, we close glfw by setting the window should close property. So because this is true, we set it to true, then the while loop up here will be closed. We say glfw should close while glfw is not allowed to close. Do this stuff. So when we set window should close to true, the while loop gets. So the next condition check of the main while loop will then fail and the application close, so the while loop will fail. We then call process inputs every iteration of the render loop. So we are going to call our function, the process input function, in our render loop by calling it. Everybody knows how to do that. Every C++ programmers know. So we are going to call it in the render loop, which is process inputs here. So it's having the window. So now this gives us an easy way to check for specific key press and react accordingly to the frame. So if we were to put enter key here, whenever we press the enter key, the window will close. So we give the escape key, so whenever the escape key is pressed, our window will fail and the program will close. So let's run it and see if our instruction was right. Okay, let's try to see. It's still compiling. We want to place all the rendering command in the render loop. So every rendering command, every drawing command will be in the while loop, in this while loop here. So since we want to execute all the rendering command each iteration of the loop, since we are going to be drawing every time when the window is not allowed to be closed, so this will look a bit like this. Now press your escape key, then the window will close. Yeah, so our program is working. Just to test if you actually work, we want to clear the screen with a color of our choice. So in the next tutorial we will clear the screen with the color of our choice. Is it green, yellow, blue? So at the start of each render iteration, we always want to clear the screen, otherwise we will still see the results from the previous iteration. So the next tutorial, be watchful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So bye.